You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? The name of this novel by Thomas Hardy originally, and television series now. For more names from literature, make sure to stay tuned. English pronunciation, then we'll look at how the name is said in French. Tess of the D'Urbervilles. Tess of the D'Urbervilles. The name in French would be said as D'Urberville, but in English, D'Urbervilles. Tess of the D'Urbervilles. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.